Welcome back to my channel. So another sneaker, another unboxing, another exciting video. Subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Let's get into this. So a Reebok sneaker. I don't have this silhouette and I really liked it ever since it came with the first version, and now we have the second version, and now we have an all-terrain version of the second version. Without digging around anymore, this is a very giant ass box, as you can see. Red and the navy, very interesting and nice. These are size 10 US. I'm going to do my usual thing, unbox the sneaker, show you the sneaker, show you what I changed about it, because of course I cannot live with myself if I don't change something on a sneaker. This is the Zig, what is the name of the sneaker? The Zig Kinetica 2 Edge. They match my outfit today. A really nice silhouette. This is very squishy, I really like that. Look at this very aggressive Vibram outsole, rubber outsole, and look at this thing here. So I don't know if you can see that, but to me that looks like Boost. If you look close enough, you can actually see the texture of Boost. I couldn't keep these stock, so let me show you what I did and check them out. I'm going to start from the front, go all the way back and tell you what I've changed. But first, look at the side by side. I'm sure you can already see some changes right off the bat. On the back also. I didn't quite like this toe cap situation they did here. To me, this actually looks like underwear, and now you will also not be able to unsee it. I took care of that, and look at them now. Moving on up the sneaker, I had to remove their lacing system, which is just elastic. I'm pretty sure this is one of the reasons why there's so many idiots online reviewing this sneaker as being really uncomfortable. Now these are way more comfortable instantly because they're not squeezed on your feet with this elastic. Moving right on the back, as you can see, these two pull tabs here, I decided to unstitch those, and I think it looks a bit better right now, like this. Anyway, just a small change to make them a bit different. Stick around for that on feet and for my opinions. Thank you. Okay, I have been wearing these for a bunch of kilometers, and I have made a list. So let's get into the things I don't like. This Vibram sole separated with a push of a finger, which is very bad for an all-terrain sneaker. It didn't really happen on the left side, so this is still okay. A second thing I don't like, not necessarily about these, but sneakers in general, they should be harder on this inside part. And another thing I don't like, the toes are kind of squeezed here with this toe cap they try to do. Pebbles can easily get stuck in this aggressive outsole, and that's very annoying. And one final thing, this hole here through the midsole is very useless and kind of bad for an all-terrain sneaker because mud and shit can get in. That's not very nice. I just want to get into the things I like now. The first thing, of course, is the price. I paid about 76 euros. The overall shape, I really like these a lot. Here with the simple red laces. Of course, I made them way more comfortable with the laces because, as you saw in the beginning, they came with an elastic strap. It was not really good for comfort, so they are now way more comfortable. The materials are very rugged, but this This is just a foam tongue, very soft. That's my review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.